Now we're gonna mix the dry ingredients with the wet. And as you remember, we have half a cup. If we see it's going to get too sticky, we have half a cup of flour here to add to the mixture. But it's better to put 4.5 and then to add than to get the batter too thick and hard to work with. As I can see, I think we don't need this half cup. I'm gonna leave it. And now we're gonna add the last ingredient to the batter, which is the chocolate chunks. 14 ounces of chocolate chunks. If you don't have chocolate and you want to put chocolate chips, that's fine too. Those cookies are good without chocolate at all too. If you think it's too chocolatey, you can drop the chocolate and put instead nuts, or just leave them plain without anything inside. And here is our batter ready to be shaped.